Alright, this is going to be a short tutorial on how to create a project in BandLab. Once you set up your account and you have signed in, you will see this home page right here. Now, next thing you would do is you would come up on top here and select create a project. So then it's going to drop down and you just put new project. It's going to take some time to load up. Okay, once your project is to load, you can either watch these lessons here if you'd like to. It'll show you a little bit more about BandLab and how to create a song. So I'm just going to give you a short tutorial, but if you want to know deep down how everything works, just click this right here. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do, you're going to have this is your board, and all you have to do is just get you a file, whatever file, MP3, I think it's MP3 or WAV, and just slide it into the project and just put it to start position. So when you click that, you should be able to hear the sound that you put up there. Okay, now if you want to, that's your instrumental track. So if you want to load a track to start recording, now this is what you do. You come over here to, it says add track, and then you pick voice audio, and then that's what it's going to do. It's going to give you voice audio and whatever USB microphone you are using. The levels are going to be here. Okay, and this right here, I believe this is let's see what this is. Yeah, this is like a auto key, a auto pitch. So if you're singing out of tune, you just turn this on and it should fake your audio. Now, to record something to go along with this, all you have to do is just hit your record button, and everything should come right here, what you record on your microphone. Let's just try this out for a second. Here we go. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, and as you can see, my audio was recorded here from my audio source. Now when you play it back, let's see, this one here is when you play it back, it should let's see, so it should play back here. should play back. So as you can see, the it was a little bit lower. This is, you click this on to for your monitoring of what you can hear, and I think this cuts off the and so channel 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 audio device. So what you do for your input devices, okay, here we go. For your input devices, 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, here we go. Now let's take this and we're going to do it again, and from the beginning. So your audio device, whatever you're using, that will come up. So here we go. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 Okay, as you can see, it recorded right here. That's where it recorded, and this is your audio device. Whatever you have for a microphone, it should be right here, where you it should be right there. Okay, now when you do your playback, you should be able to hear that as well. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, now now what we're going to do here is I'm going to put that microphone up, and so let's say you go ahead and record your sound here. Now I'm gonna need these to have your song professionally mixed. These together are what you call stems, STEMS. So anybody's gonna need those to mix and master your track. So all you do is just right click, you highlight the track, this one or this one, you just highlight the track and you right click, and then you're going to see down here export as audio. So export as audio, and what this is going to do is going to send these out together. So all you do is just export, and it exported as audio, so you just need to find out where it goes. Now your next one, do it the same way, export as audio, and that's your voice audio. If you want to name the track, all you do is just double click it and it'll turn blue, and just double click it. So that's basically it. It's your quick tutorial on how to use BandLab, a free app for your recording if you can't afford to go to a recording studio. So my name is Juan V with JVH Production Beats, and I hope this helped you understand how to record with BandLab. Bye bye.